Hi all, Renee here. I am here today with the Twisted Sisters YouTube Hop, and it is a group of us who come in and we use some products from the brand new catalogs and twist them in a way that they maybe weren't designed for, or not something you see immediately when you look at them. So I am using the Good Life Card Making Workshop exclusive stamp and die set, and I'm actually going to use just these little dies right here. They are originally meant to be the posts for these cute little country fences. The whole set is very country, very rustic, and I thought, okay, what could I do with this that would take you away from country and rustic, although I love it, and make it something that's the other side of the spectrum. And what's the other side of the spectrum in my head was contemporary. So this is what I ended up creating. So I took those two little dies. Let me show you what they look like. And these two, I'm not going to take them off here because they are so small. These two dies right here, that's what I used. And what I did was I just cut a whole bunch of them. I have some right here on this piece of paper. I cut a whole bunch of them just out of regular cardstock. And then I colored them with my Spectrum Noir Tri-Blends. I used the gold yellow blend and the blue turquoise shades. And this pillow right here that I found online, this was my inspiration, not only for the colors that I ended up going with, but also for the design. So this is how it ended up. Very, very simple card. This background is the new color, Journey, as is the inking or the stamping, which matches perfectly with the blue turquoise shades Spectrum Noir, as you can see. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. This background paper has just some little specks on it. I thought it kind of looked, let me get under the lights for you. I thought it kind of looked like a concrete, like a concrete walkway. And that is from the mix-in papers from this new catalog. And if you haven't seen the new catalogs yet, I just did 2 videos showing each one of the catalogs. And you can also check out my store down below, and you can look at the full catalog in a PDF form. Lots of fun projects and products in there. So let me just show you very quickly how I did this. So what I did, and we'll just use the turquoise one, is I took I took these pieces, and each one of these has 6. So there's 6, and it's almost exactly the same size squared. I just had to shave a little tiny bit off to make this strip. So what I just did was I just colored each one of them, and let me grab my these are really helpful to keep things still. Just quick color. I mean, you don't have to worry about any sort of blending or anything like that. And I just did 2 of each tone. So 2 lights, 2 mediums, and 2 darks. And then once I had the 6 pieces, I just lined them up, 2 of each color. And so it would turn into a nice ombre effect. So let's just get this one done really quick. It really didn't take me much time at all. It probably took me longer to do the die cutting, which really didn't take very long, than it did for me to put the whole card together. The card came together really quick. Then I'm just going to show you how I put it together. I just had a piece of cardstock, just a leftover piece of cardstock, and just use some liquid glue, any kind of liquid glue that you like. Just put some little dots right there, and then just lined it up on the edge of the cardstock. And the liquid glue really helps give you that extra time you need to get it down. And then I just did, like I said, 6 to create it in one direction, and then I turned and went the other direction. Really, really fast and easy. You can see how quick and easy this is coming together right now. And then once I had my entire strip done, I just cut it down and adhered it to my card. So that is how I did that. And then I just stamped the missing U right on that paper, layered it up, and there you go. That was the entire project. That's how you do it. And I would encourage you to see what kind of dies you have that you could use them and turn them into some sort of a fun, and I'm sorry, I'm trying to get this little pin in here so it doesn't clog, so that you can get some additional use out of your stamps and dies. Lots of different ideas are going to be shown during this blog hop. There'll be one video per day starting on September 1st. So there's already been a few videos, and I think we go through September 11th or 12th. Down in the description box, I do have a playlist for you. You can just click on the playlist and that'll give you everybody's videos that have been posted. But again, one gets posted every day at 7 a.m. Eastern time. So starting with this, ended up with this. So that is my twist for this time around. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. I hope you will hit that red subscribe button and subscribe for me. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2023. Fingers crossed I'm able to do it. I should say you all are able to do it because it's you all that make that happen. And with that, I will let you go. I hope you check out the other videos and have a great day. Bye.